Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is the integral. We have the integral of 2 multiplied with the square root of s arctanh s ds. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. We need to use about integration by parts in here. So we got about u and dv. U is about arctanh s. So we got about du equal for ds over 1 minus s squared. dv is about 2 multiplied with the square root of s ds. So you will go about v equal for 1 over the square root of s. Now we got about u multiplied with v in here, so you got about arctanh of s over the square root of s. And we have the negative next to the integral. Now we need to concentrate about this integral. We need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u squared equals for s. Then we do first the derivative for the both sides. So you got about 2u du equal for ds. So the s we change to 2u du. The square root of s we change for u. This one we change u to the power of 4. U and u we simplify together. Next, we put number 2 outside, and we got about 1 minus u. And du in here. In here we have 1 minus u to the power of 4. We can separate them into 1 minus u squared plus 1 multiplied with 1 plus u squared. On numerator we have 1 minus u squared plus 1 plus u squared. Because negative u squared plus u squared, they will cancel together. 1 plus 1 is about 2, so the outside of here we need to divide by 2, and that's about number 1. We have 1 minus u squared divide 1 minus u squared, so you will go about 1 over 1 plus u squared. And 1 plus u squared divide 1 plus u squared, you will go about 1 over 1 minus u squared. Next, in here we can separate them into 1 minus u multiplied with 1 plus u. On numerator we have 1 minus u plus 1 plus u. 1 plus 1 is about 2, so in here we need to put about 1 over 2. Negative u and u they cancel together. Now we will get about 1 minus u divide 1 minus u, you got about 1 over 1 plus u. And the next one, 1 plus u divide 1 plus u, you will got about 1 over 1 minus u. And now we can get the answer in here. The integral of 1 over 1 plus u squared, you got about arctanh of u. The integral of 1 over 1 plus u, you will get about ln of the absolute value of 1 plus u. The integral of 1 over 1 minus u, we had a negative, so we got about negative 1 over 2 ln 1 minus u. And we put about c is about the constant. Now about u, we need to change back for this one. We have u squared, so we put the square root in the both sides. And now u equal for the square root of s. Later that we combine the answer. We have this one and this one. Here is about the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.